11.4.6 channels, 7 AMT tweeters, dual opposing subwoofers, 3,000 watts. TechRadar called it more like an AV receiver than Soundbar. The Nakamichi Dragon costs as much as a full separate system. Does it beat one? What it can handle? Dolby Atmos and DTS:X Pro immersion earns 9.3. 6 discrete physical height channels and bipolar surrounds creating genuine 360-degree overhead sound that TechRadar confirmed rivals high-end AV receiver setups. AMT tweeter clarity scores 9.1. 7 air motion transformer tweeters delivering razor-clean highs and focused dialogue at high volumes that standard dome tweeters cannot match. Music performance scores 5.8. What hi-fi flagged music reproduction as a clear weakness where the cinema-tuned processing and channel architecture falls short of dedicated stereo or AV separates. Setup complexity scores 5.3. The AV receiver-grade remote and detailed menu system impress power users, but frustrated buyers expecting soundbar simplicity. Daily performance. Cinema immersion earns 9.4. Dual opposing 8-inch subwoofers delivering physical bass force, 6 overhead height channels, and bipolar surrounds creating a sound field TechRadar, described as closer to high-end AV receiver performance than any soundbar tested. Bass authority scores 9.2 as the isobaric dual opposing sub design, producing the equivalent of 4 subwoofer output from 2 cabinets, received universal praise for room-loading impact. Physical footprint scores 4.8. The 58-inch main unit weighing 32 pounds ships in 3 separate boxes at over 60 kilograms total and requires a TV stand large enough to support it. Design divisiveness scores 5.6 with what hi-fi calling the industrial gray and gold aesthetic cumbersome and the angled edges polarizing. User experience. Power user control depth earns 8.9. On-screen display, granular EQ, room correction, AVR-grade processing menus, and a fully featured remote offer a level of system control no other soundbar provides. Scalability scores 8.6, as the modular base architecture allows expansion from dual 8-inch subwoofers all the way to 4 12-inch subwoofers for larger rooms. Plug-and-play accessibility scores 5.1. Nakamichi markets breakthrough simplicity, but TechRadar and what hi-fi both noted the system rewards patience and configuration time. Value versus AV separate scores 6.8. At this price point, a dedicated AV receiver plus quality speaker package becomes a legitimate competing argument for audiophiles who prioritize music alongside cinema. Who it's for? Serious home cinema enthusiasts earn 9.3. No single box system on the market delivers this combination of channel count, AMT tweeters, discrete height channels, and wireless subwoofer scale for movies and streaming. Dolby Atmos and DTS:/X Pro power users score 9.1, with Pro Cinema Engine processing depth exceeding what any other soundbar offers. Buyers with large rooms and 65-inch or larger TVs score 8.2, as the 58-inch form factor genuinely suits widescreen setups. Music-first listeners and AV separates buyers score 4.9. The Dragon is a cinema system, and what hi-fi's 3-star verdict reflects its limits outside that use case. Is it worth it? Cinema immersion value earns 9.2. 11.4.6 channel wireless surround with AMTs and dual opposing subs in one system is architecturally unmatched at this price. Channel architecture value scores 9.1. Music and versatility value scores 5.8. Physical size and complexity value scores 5.3 for buyers wanting simplicity or a compact form factor. The CineTech overall score for the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 is 8.2 out of 10, 4.1 stars. The most immersive wireless home theater system ever built in a soundbar form. If cinema is your priority and you have a room for it,